Hey, it's Miss Rosier here. I miss you so much. It's so weird being at home, but I hope you are safe at home. I am safely at home too. I'm not in the gym, which seems weird, but I want to teach you a game today. I'm going to come to you hopefully once for sure, maybe twice a week, with a cool game that you can play at home with your siblings or with your parents, and you don't need any equipment. I'm going to try to find things that either don't use any equipment or things that you have in your household. Today we're going to use some of these items, but today we're always going to have a target skill. Today's target skill is going to be rolling. So I want to remind you first of how we roll. Okay, so when we roll, we have our ball in our hand, or today we're going to use a can, and you always want your body to be facing the target as well as your eyes. That's where your body form should be. So if my target is over there, my body and my eyes are facing my target. I'm holding my ball. I'm going to swing my arm in a pendulum type movement. It's going to go straight back and straight forward. So I'm going to step with my opposite foot. So if I'm right-handed, my left foot should be forward. If I'm left-handed, my right foot should be forward, okay? I'm going to swing back. I'm going to take a step. I'm going to get down low, and I'm going to release my ball or my can towards my target. Okay, that's your form for today. Remember that. All right, this game is called Clorox Topple. Okay, so we are using some of these. Do you have any of these in your house? If not, you could use a 2-liter bottle, you could use a milk jug, or just be creative. Find something else. You don't want it to be totally full and heavy, so maybe partially used. This is a partially used container or a partially used milk container. Make sure you clear all of this with your mother before you pull it out of the fridge or the pantry. You also need 2 cans. Do you have any of these? Okay, good. You could use a ball if you have balls, but I know some of you don't, and that's not a big deal. I'm going to come with ideas for both. So you'll see today we'll use canned goods, and then we'll also show you what it looks like to use some tennis balls if you have that in your home. Okay, those are the materials for today's game. Pause your video, go get those things, and I'll meet you back here in a second with our game set up. All right, we've got our game set up now. We've got the Clorox bottle in the middle. We've each got our cans, and we've spaced out with the Clorox bottle ready to go. We're going to use our correct form. One foot, the opposite to your rolling arm is forward. You're going to swing back, get down real low, and roll. We don't want any bouncing with our can. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, roll. Oh! Point for Ryan. We're going to reset. It's 1-0. 1-0. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, roll. Oh! We decided that if ever the cans hit at the same time, whichever direction the bottle goes, that's going to be the person that gets the point. So we both made contact, but it went this way, so he gets the point. So 2-0. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, no point. Do it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, point for me. 2-1. Reset. Okay, so I also want to show you, you could play this with a ball too. So we've got some tennis balls. We're going to play with the tennis ball. Go back to your spot. Set the can down. Same setup, just different balls. So if you've got any sort of ball in your house, you can do this. You can use basketballs. You can use tennis balls. You can use bouncy balls. Whatever you've got. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's crushing me. All right, was that so much fun? I hope that you and the people in your household got to have fun playing a new game today. Special thanks to Ryan for playing with me. I got crushed. But that's okay, we're just playing. Remember, we say in class, it's just a game. And so if you had fun and you worked on your rolling skills, you did a great job. I will bring you a new video probably later in the week with another fun game that you can do at home, enjoying our PE at home. Don't forget, get fit, never quit. Bye.